We just landed in Colombia, guys. Yo.
Everybody go to breakfast. Choco bow for the result, nothing to discuss, cause I did by fault and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult, I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba Frayo, my don't cry, yo. I need to go and shadow. 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 I need to go and shadow.
Jesus, let me know, but they show no fish. They say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. They didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want.
We just landed in Colombia, guys. Yo.
I only chill already in that box and one can look on the seat.
Yeah.
Which one is small?
You know that?
This is the tunnel.
Oscar, es que la persona que puso el wifi, el código personal.
Nice. What happened?
I'll lock the door, nobody else not coming.
Nobody else now coming. But I ain't gonna lie, look bigger. The picture make it look big.
Listen, man, let's go. All right, let's go.
Guys, we are back in Colombia.
Nobody ordered no appetizer. Get some appetizers, bro.
So we're here at the 23 hotel. By the way, we just landed in Colombia. It's day one. We just got here and now we're getting food. So
Let me show you that. I'm
oh. That's ooh, smell lick me. Oh, yeah, you didn't get yours yet. Oh.
No, that's special.
Oh, it actually look different. Okay. Yeah. All right, everybody get.
Wait, everybody got it?
Yeah. Gracias. Alright. Remember when I came in and I was recording the Airbnb? Guys, this is the Airbnb. Just made it back. This is the balcony. City view with mountains. That's the kitchen area. Why are you guys standing at the door like that?
No, we're trying to connect to the Wi-Fi.
Oh, the Wi-Fi there. Oh, I need to do that.
That's why we're starting.
All right, this is one of the bathrooms.
Before you, Wi-Fi.
Has,
You really went and want to sleep?
no, I'm standing too. This is another room. And this is
It's Casa Code.
our room. And we got the balcony. Wait, it's 2 balconies.
See Ben stripping.
You see who?
Man stripping.
A lie.
I'm lying, bro.
A man stripping. It's a strip club out there for me. A men's strip club outside.
Yup.
Wait, where you stay and see him?
Right here, sir.
You see the flood? Don't step in the water.
No, I saw that.
Where?
Ooh, take it off. No, I'm just kidding. No, that's
Oh shoot. I'm afraid to put my phone next thing it got dropped. Alright guys, so we're in the pool area. Stop by checking out the pool. City view. Yeah. Sunset hour until it's time to go eat dinner. Yeah, so we're just chilling right now until it's dinner time.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just for the record. Just for the record. If they like the job at the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame me amount. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, I so they fly like a helicopter.
Hold me like you never see me again. Hold me like
This is Mariah Carey over here.
no.
That's Mariah Carey.
Hi guys.
Gonna have
Dinner.
we reach out here.
Okay.
Alright, we're in the we're in the lobby. The lobby area. Gracias. After hours, like you put the front clothes.
Yeah, party.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, all right. Like it.
It's called third best city in the world, Forbes and Time Out.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, third best city in the world. I love that.
So we came to this rooftop bar that's called 360. Didn't vlog because there's music played in the background. They actually have a DJ. I will finish our drink. I got the martini. Sorry guys, I'll insert picture. Old fashioned, mule, and sunset sunrise. And we're here viewing the city.
Alright, man. That's
That's
it.
the pesos.
This is fine.
$5,000.
Alright, it's gonna be a beige Renault.
Really? It's gonna come in 2.5 seconds. This is where we had our rooftop drink just now. The streets of Medellin. The last time I didn't really
I
record.
think this is the pickup spot.
You don't think so? Because where that light came from. Alright guys, so we're here at Gabo. How cute with the swings. We're sitting on the outside. That's yes. Ooh. That's yes.
Oh, you're acting like we
Got the pictures, Krissy.
Yeah. Oh, I thought. Oh, that's the water.
Should be taking a video. You taking a video of that, Krissy?
Yeah. That's yes.
Yeah, that's where Krissy came in.
Ella me dijo que era con él, era de zapato. No.
Red wine. It's a red wine type of night.
I haven't tried this one, so I'm
Yes, yes. Oh, I'll put it over. Just put my one over. Alright, we got the Bahu buns. This is the what? The chicharron.
Yo, you saw that?
What happened? Alright, so I got some creamy rice with chicharron. That's what you got? Yeah. Where the food? Oh, okay, gotcha.
I love Colombia.
Got you. Listen, no.
That looks pretty good.
Bad man thing. Lit. Gracias. So it's breakfast. Good morning. It's breakfast time. Is that Guinea?
Break that channel.
That's good.
Alright guys, so it's breakfast time.
You know, picking time.
We are heading to Parque Arvi and we're now in the cable cars.
It looks high, but the way how the grass is, it just seems like we're close enough to touch it.
You think so?
Yeah, that's just how I feel.
Bro, this thing is
Now it's getting windy. I didn't hear what
that's like good. You know what that one's like, bro. So the one, but still
Oh, somebody about to build a house here. So wait, how do people then get up here? By the same thing? How they actually get
No,
up?
it's the transportation that God gave them.
So guys, like I said, we are at Parque Arvi, but I already have a whole vlog on this place. I'm just gonna tag my 2022 vlog because it's the same. It's the same everything. I'm just gonna put my 2022 vlog in the card and you can go check out this park. It's our friends' first time here, so we doing the tour with them and having fun, enjoying the time, so as you can see, it says Parque Arvi, and yeah, now they're using the restroom. I'm waiting for them. Yeah guys, it's a nice place, but I'm gonna still put clips here and there. Like when I can get clips, I'll put clips here and there. So we're here just grabbing like empanadas and cappuccino and coffee and so we're here at the waterfalls. Hey! So yeah. So get some views like so. I didn't see him. We call you, man. Know yourself, brother. Know yourself. Watch your dog just sit down in the road like. Yeah. Him now move. Lick me if you think you're bad. That's him say, This view, man. Take him where? On the plane? So for him come.
Where we going?
So for him come with we.
Where we going? Bro.
Oh, maybe he's showing us the way.
Yo.
He's an angel.
No, man.
So look, guys, you guys not noticing? They counting the trees.
What?
Every one of them have a number. All the trees.
Yeah, because they're gonna know who destroy it.
Oh. I say no, you know, say number 1078. God.
Dog now, man.
I feel like we had more breeze going off.
Yeah. I think I don't know what this.
Oh, it's because of all this set.
No,
This probably a come from that. Yeah, this is the part where I just want to be over quick.
For you to say that, that's sketchy, bro.
Look down, bro.
Nah, see.
Why are they going so slow? Remember the horse? That looked like somebody buried on.
See that view over there with the mountain?
Oh shit.
Yeah, when all they take it on the side.
Look, we're pretty up, guys.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, most of these poles are on a tilting and all. Like this one, if you look at it, literally is angling out.
They had to make this cable car, but how did they make it? Bro, where did they get such a long braided line? Because you know this line can't split.
I know it can't split. That's the crazy part.
So where did they get the line this long?
They probably manufactured themselves.
I'm pretty sure, but I'm saying how did they get it that long?
bro? Like when does it shut down for maintenance, bro?
For real.
That's what I want to know. And how often?
She said second floor, she told us that. Alright, we are back at Alambique. Oh. So this is the waiting area. So this is the food for tonight. So it's the next day and we're doing a tour. This is a tour that I already did on my previous Medellin vlog, but it's a little bit different. We just had breakfast. I'm gonna put the breakfast right here. I'm gonna put the clip where we just had breakfast here. Now we're gonna go on the bus. This is the bus, and I don't know what's the next stop, but this is one of those tours where it takes you to the umbrella spot, the rock, the big rock, the El Penol rock, also the boat ride and all of that. So we're just here waiting. Some people are still doing breakfast, so we're just waiting for them. Come along the journey. It's early in the morning, like really early. Hopefully you can hear me. My voice is, yeah, last night was a night. We had a time. Okay guys, so we made our first stop at this place where you could buy souvenirs. It's also a farm and restaurant. So I'm gonna show you guys around. As you can see, this is my background. Wondering what are those, pacas or llamas? Oh shoot.
I didn't know she owned that. That was so weird.
Alright. Yo. They're my attack. It is. But wait, wasn't there like a... These are llamas, so those are what? Right.
Oh, yeah, you into the fishing?
Paca and llama.
Damn, why you? Oh my
Damn.
gosh, you're so pretty. Here, Papa.
This is our third stop. I'm out of breath. Huh? Oh yeah. The first.
You said third.
Yeah, because I'll talk about the breakfast and then the llama. So it's just like the third thing we're doing on the tour. I'm out of breath. Walking up here. Oh, they're so cute. It's another place with souvenir and stuff, basically. I'm not gonna say much about this tour as yet. I'm trying to compare it to the other tour that we did, which we did more on the other tour for less money, so I'ma just keep going and see like what this tour is giving. Yeah, this is inside. It looks pretty cool. Okay. Let's grab a little espresso for wake up. I'm gonna look a shop right here, so.
That's what, £1?
You don't have that.
So guys, now we are heading to the boat.
Por momentos pararemos la música para contarles un poco de su historia. También les recordamos que...
Good day, everyone. On behalf of Cruzeiro La Replica Corporation and the landing crew, we welcome you to the reservoir and hydroelectric El Penol, Guatape, area of water that supplies this reservoir. 28 meters or 92 feet from the surface down, and the cross is 12 meters or 39 feet tall. You are going to see farms and beautiful constructions. Most of them belong to drug dealers in the 80s and 90s. Now the owners are rich people from the region or from the city of Medellin, who come to spend vacations or holidays in these places, and it is said that half of these properties work as Airbnbs.
Esta piedra fue escalada por primera vez en 1900. Luis Villegas, ya que esta es privada, no pertenece al gobierno. El dueño falleció hace varios años, pero todo lo que...
Yeah, but this can hold them until the next food stuff.
Like you wanted the food stuff?
It's a rock one, bro.
With that, you gotta spend your money.
I'm bad because I couldn't take a picture of it.
No, I'm just putting it. It's for the vlog. No, eat, man. Eat. It's just recording. It's just video.
You want to get pizza?
Not a big one, please.
Just showing the
So why don't
lunch.
take a whole stuff?
This is the lunch. Soup and chicharron and chicken. Everything. Guys, so we made it to Guatape. And we just tried their famous candy. I forgot to put that in the vlog. But we're going to the umbrella spot. Also some other spots. And I'll take you guys with me.
Restaurante, bienvenido, buenas tardes.
Chicos, que vienen las sillas.
Another umbrella spot. All the flags. How nice. I mean, a tropical sunset or sunrise something.
Chicos, por favor, vamos a recordar que aquellos quienes desean subir la piedra del Peñol pagan un valor de 25.000 pesos colombianos. So guys, remember, in case that you're climbing today the Penol stone, you have to pay 25,000 pesos colombianos. Only cash, only Colombian pesos.
So it's my second time here at this big rock, and I decided this time I'm climbing it. Because the last time I made it to 100 steps and turned back. I'm gonna put that clip. Okay. Guys, I am trying to climb the rock, but it's too much. It's too many steps to take up this. It's 700 steps. Yes. I don't know if I'm going to make it. Guys, I can't do it. I am going back down. I told Ian to go because we met people on the tour. They're very nice. First, I'm like, just go have the experience, get some content for me. So hopefully he gets some content. I could put the clips in here so you guys could see all the way at the top. But for me, it's a no-brainer. Going back down. This time I'm here for the second time. I'm doing it again. So full thing. Alright guys, we made it to 225 steps. 225 steps. Yeah, 25. Let's see. Woo. Oh guys, we made it to 500 steps. We're past halfway.
Just make this corner or take a break there.
Yeah.
Oh,
no way. You're looking
Why
good.
did you wait?
I need a break.
No, wait. Okay, Camille, you want for Christina? You still can take a break with them?
Yeah.
We're gonna make this.
We're gonna make it.
Huh? You come this way.
Exactly.
I have cramps. I have cramps. Almost. Please.
We made it to 675. As you can see, bravo. Less than 100 to go. Yeah. So now we're going in this little tower to make it to the end. Guys, we made it to the end. 708. Go ahead. Go ahead.
We made it this far.
We made it, guys. The view. They even have helicopter tours. Yes. I'll probably get some chicharron. You want to try the chicharron here or no? If they get in it, yeah.
If they get it,
yeah. But we here, guys. No? No, one time. Let me see that view over there and then we're ready. Right. We going back down. This is the view. 520 something step down, going back down. Yep. Almost there. Alright, so after that rock climbing, we got some chicharron. Platinum. Yeah.
Pizza is it come? The pizza is it come?
Okay, yeah, that's okay. Thank you.
Is that the papas rustico?
Yes,
You know that they said that goes good with the drink.
And the dinner is served. Still waiting for mine.
Bro, one piece of sleep biting, eh?
Alright, so we're at this. It's the next day, and we're at this place called Sear for breakfast.
Para 4. También por acá, por allí. Por allí. Quien pueda, donde prefieras.
When you set a table, everything goes on the right side. So everything on the right, that's how they do it.
This is my breakfast. Breakfast time. That's a Sunday style. Got this skateboard park. Nice.
Hola. Hola. Museo.
Gracias. You did great.
I was gonna put it in the gym. I'm probably just gonna take it. To that. Krissy, y'all get that? Big it up.
My stomach just turned.
Big up the boy. Yo, Krissy. Big man. Big up.
Big mountain.
Yo, I smell that. That get away.
It smells good.
Yo, the way your ear face, he's like, damn. Y'all like on the down this one time? Yo, remember what? I feel like, here we go. The hangover movie.
It's the next morning. I already had my cappuccino. That was breakfast time. I got waffles with chicken breast, avocado, potato, spinach, cassava waffles. Everybody eating. It's our last full day today in Medellin, Colombia. Good morning. So we are heading to breakfast. Today is our last day in Medellin, Colombia. Yesterday, I didn't get to vlog much. I was just taking in everything. We went to Communa 30 and we had dinner last night. I didn't record that. A lot of stuff I missed out, but no. There's this breakfast spot close to our Airbnb. It's like a 5-minute walk, so we're walking there right now. And yeah, before we check out of our Airbnb to the airport. So that's the update. Oh, we can't walk this door, right? We're probably early. I can't put it
done just you good. It's done just you good. It's done just you